This car is a Subaru Forester 2.0, 2017 model of the car. In this video, you will be shown how to change the CVT transmission fluid of this car. How many liters of new fluid should be installed when changing the CVT transmission fluid of this car? How to check the CVT transmission fluid level. So watch the complete video step by step. After watching the video, you will be able to change the CVT transmission fluid inshallah. On behalf of this channel, I wish you all the best and congratulations to SCS Automotive. Now I'll go under the car to show you how to remove the CVT transmission fluid. Take off this cover under the transmission gearbox. So first I will take off this cover and take it out. To remove the cover is attached with 13mm screws, so I unscrewed the screws and took them out. I opened the cover and took it out. Subaru Forester 2.0 CVT transmission fluid drain bolt screw. This is the car's CVT transmission fluid fill bolt screw. First, I will unscrew the fill bolt screw and take it out. I will use an 8mm Allen key and a 10mm spanner to unscrew the fill bolt screw. Now I will unscrew the fill bolt screw from the CVT transmission gearbox of the car. I unscrewed the fill bolt screw. To check the CVT transmission fluid level and install new CVT fluid, the fill bolt screw needs to be unscrewed. Now I will unscrew the drain bolt. I will use it to open drain bolt screws size 14mm. Flexible head socket wrench, 14mm by 15mm metric double swivel box. I unscrewed the drain bolt to drain the CVT transmission fluid. Unscrew the drain bolt and wait for a while to drain all the CVT transmission fluid inside the gearbox. Once the CVT transmission fluid is completely drained, reinstall the drain bolt screw. The drain bolt screw should be tightened sufficiently so that the CVT transmission fluid does not leak. After completing the installation of the drain bolt screw, I thoroughly wiped the oil pan with a cotton cloth. Now I will install new CVT fluid inside the car's gearbox. I will install Subaru original CVT transmission fluid. When changing CVT transmission fluid, install 5 liters of CVT fluid. I will install CVT fluid inside the gearbox using a transmission oil pump. After installing 5 liters of CVT transmission fluid, notice that CVT transmission fluid is flowing out through the fill bolt drain. I installed the fill bolt screw. Close the drain by screwing in the fill bolt to prevent fuel from flowing down the fill bolt drain. Start the car engine. Change gear shift to PRND and DNRP. Gear shift P position and check CVT fluid level. After changing the gear shift, when the engine temperature warms up to 35 degrees to 67 degrees, check the CVT fluid level again by unscrewing the fill bolt. If CVT fluid comes out of the fill bolt drain after opening the fill bolt screw, then the CVT fluid level is correct. Install the fill bolt screw. I will install the bottom cover of the gearbox. If you have any problems understanding anything while watching the video, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching the video.